Transformers reviews, tech and the news, whatever else I use as a muse. Hit subscribe, I appreciate the views. Influences interest on YouTube. Hey, thanks for watching this video. This is Influence, back with another one, of course. And I have the Nakamichi 7.1.4 sound system. Now, I'm gonna explain a little bit about the sound system, why I'm unboxing it. So the Nakamichi, you may not have heard of the Nakamichi if you are just a casual audio person, or you know, just don't keep up on everything. I keep up on everything, and I still did not hear of Nakamichi. Now, the company was familiar, but I didn't know they made sound bars. What they started out making was like high-end systems for like your house, like tape decks, and they may have even made 8-track players. I don't know, but they made high-end stereo equipment. And now they started doing bars. So heard about them. I reached out to the company. I got some information about it, and we're going to see what's up with this. Now, this is the 7.1.4 system. Now, a lot of people don't understand those numbers. They've changed over the years. You had 5.1, which is the most known system that you can get, which means there's 5 speakers and 1 subwoofer. So that's a 5-channel stereo surround sound. So you have 5 separate channels with sound coming out. Now 7.1.4, the last number is have come in play in the last few years with Atmos and DTS-X. So what those do is provide immersive sound all around your, you know, and the speakers, the DTS-X and the Atmos is like defined by overhead speakers. So that's where the 0.4 is. Now this system is a soundbar with 2 satellite speakers and 1 subwoofer. Now where you get the 7 and the 4 from? Well, they have 7 drivers that will react and make it seem like there's 4 overhead speakers. And it's 1 subwoofer, of course. But yeah, this is probably the cheapest system that you'll get that has this type of capability, because it has 4K Ultra HD pass-through, which a lot of systems don't have, where you can hook up everything directly to the actual sound bar. So it comes with a Dolby disc, which has all the sounds, so you can demo, and you have a wall mounted template. Open this up, you have the actual sound bar in here, which is pretty long, pretty heavy. I'm gonna have to see what's up with that one. You have the actual satellite speakers. One here, they're pretty big. I didn't realize they were this big. Pretty big drivers. Got some branding on the side. I don't know if you can see that, Nakamichi. It's a little sunny out. Get the power pack. Get the screws and mounting brackets to mount. It even has screws to mount the 4. Like there's another system where you can get 4 of the satellite speakers, so you could actually mount them together. But I didn't get that unit, so we'll see. Comes with all of the equipment that all of the cords, I should say, has an optical cable, has a not USB, a HDMI cable comes with it. I hope there's not anything that's supposed to be in there. I think I got all the components. Now this is a subwoofer and seems pretty big, pretty heavy. The actual soundbar system looks pretty good, pretty nice. You have a driver on the side. You can see the two. This grill is metal. I like that. It looks premium. You got some branding up here. Got some feet. And you also have the connections. Again, you have two HDMI ports. And they are 4K pass through. Then you have one over here. Then you have the ARC port that you want to hook up to your TV. I'll probably go over all this in the full review whenever I do it. And you have the DC in. So I'm gonna have to figure out the subwoofer is a lot bigger than I thought it was. But that's going out of sight. You know, it's probably better to have it in the front of the room, but I usually have it in the back of the room. Then you have the connectors for the satellite speakers. You have a USB for updating and a plug and a power switch. And it's a downward firing. Got a pretty nice port. Downward firing subwoofer, so it's at the bottom. And you saw the satellite speakers. So this is where it will go. And hey, shout out Virginia Tech. So yeah, I'm coming from a Vizio soundbar. So we'll see. This is a Vizio with the 5.1. This is 5.1. So here's the components, and we will see how this goes. I will update in the full review. I'm gonna dive into this. I got a couple things. We can Falcon Wooden Soldiers tonight, and tomorrow I want to watch the Snyder Cut. So this is perfect in order to give it a good. I'll probably give it a good week before I do the full review, but I think those two things will let me know because it's on Disney Plus and maybe a Netflix show. I'll see, because I just want to see how it is. Also, I'm hooking up the PlayStation 5 and I'm using I got the Shield, NVIDIA Shield. So that's also will be hooked up. All right then, thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the full review. Before you leave, if you like anything here or if you didn't like it, accordingly, let me know, and I will get up with you in another video. I need a new exit. I need a new outro, because that's old and used. All right, I'm gonna think about that. All right then, again, I will get up with you in the next one.
Ain't no, life ain't no, life ain't no, life ain't no. As long as you alive, you can give another try and take it real high if you want it.